Hey, I'm Joe and I welcome you to my kitchen. I have to admit that I'm proud of all of my recipes. But truth being told, some are way better than the others. One of the top 3 recipes in my family is the marinated pork steak in the oven. For this you need marinade for pork steak, see my other video, and pork steak. What you need to know about the pork steak is that it needs to have as much fat as possible, like this one. Also, when you cut it in generous slices, about 2 fingers thick. Now what you need to do is put the steak in the marinade for pork steak and leave it in the fridge for 12 hours. After you left it for 12 hours in the marinade, you just take every piece of steak, you clean it from the marinade, and you put it in the tray that goes in the oven. You put some water in the tray, you don't cover the steak with it. Now you put it in the preheated oven at 200 Celsius degrees. You leave it at 200 degrees until the water starts to boil, which is about half of an hour. Then you switch the temperature to 150 degrees until there's no water in the tray. From time to time, you just turn the steak from one side to another. For your information, it takes about 4 hours, but trust me, it's worth it. Now, let's get it out of the oven and enjoy it. Also, subscribe to my channel for more recipes and turn on the notifications so we can keep in touch. Take care, bye!